wanted to go trick-or-treating with my friends today, but the weather is not helping. Give me back my Halloween!
Oh,
that's a good idea.
right?
That's a
Awesome.
great idea.
Trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat.
Shiny, scary teeth, I'm a vampire. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat.
Do you want some candies or sweet chocolates? Wait, let me see. Aren't you my dad?
Hello, son.
A colorful pointy hat, I'm a witch. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Do you want some candies or sweet chocolates? Wait, let me see. Aren't you my mom?
Hi, love.
A friendly dead vampire, a loving, caring mom witch. Every monster gathers on this day. I love surprising Halloween. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Brave and adventurous, I'm a pirate. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat.
Do you want some candies or sweet chocolates? Wait, let me see. Aren't you my brother?
Hey there.
Spooky but adorable, I'm a ghost. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Do you want some candies or sweet chocolates? Wait, let me see. Aren't you my sister? Hey, cutie pie. A brave brother pirate, a spooky boogie sister ghost. Every monster gathers on this day. I love surprising Halloween. Huh? Who is it?